Ayya! Hello everybody, let's work on our low block, or Ha Dan Mahk Ki in Korean. Can you say Ha Dan Mahk Ki? Ha Dan Mahk Ki. Low block. Let's start with our load. Good, I'm going to take my blocking hand, I'm going to bring it up to my opposite shoulder with the palm down. I'm going to take my non-blocking hand and bring it across my stomach like this. This is called jam load. Say jam load. Good. Reset. This hand, ready? Blocking hand, jam load hand, jam load, reset, jam load, reset, jam load, reset. All right, let's do the block. Jam load, using my top hand, wiggle it. Good, I'm gonna bring it down and across my body. My bottom hand comes all the way back and elbows, like so. Good, up by my armpit. Ready? Jam load, lock, down and across, jam load, block, down and across, other hand chamber, ready, jam load, block, down and across, other hand chamber. Good, let's add a stance. So we're going to do step into the front stance. So I'm going to step into a sideways position like so. I don't want to be forward yet. I'm going to hit the jam load. Now I'm going to twist forward and bring the block down. Height! And reset. Ready? Jam load. Step. Twist. Bring it down. Height! One more. Reset. Jam load. Step. Twist. Bring it down. Height! Notice how my thumb is on the outside of my leg, not the inside. Very good. Let's work on the other side. Jam load. Step. Twist. Bring it down. Height! Reset. Jam load. Step. Twist. Bring it down. Height! Reset. One more. Jam load. Step. Twist. Bring it down. Height! All right, everybody, that is our low block, or Ha Dan Mahk Ki in Korean. Practice what you learned, make it rock.